Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepared this amazing chicken light soup with just a very simple ingredient. So don't go nowhere, take your seat. We are back once again in the kitchen, so let's start cooking. Alrighty friends, so in this recipe right here, we are going to use old chicken. So I went into the store and then I found out there is a chicken farm nearby that they sell fresh chicken. So this is where I actually bought this chicken, and you can tell that it's an old chicken. That's why it has a lot of fat in it. So when you go to this chicken farm, they usually butcher everything for you. So all you have to do is just come home, wash it, and then use it for your soup or your stew, like whatever that you're gonna use with. But as for today, we are going to use that for soup. So friends, I just washed this chicken and I'm gonna transfer that into my clean cooking pot. And then next, I'm gonna cut some onion. So I'm using a half large onion, as you can tell, and I'm using my fresh ginger roots. Chicken soup and ginger roots, like the fresh ingredient that you can get, that's what makes the soup taste really good. So next, I'm going to be using my favorite seasoning, and this is all natural seasoning. There's no artificial seasoning or chemicals, like people usually use in their cooking. We try to use as fresh as possible, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm using here in this soup, so you guys will get the idea of what I'm using. So after I added all my seasoning, I'm going to add my blended garlic, ginger, and then onion right here. All right friends, so after you pour that, stir, make sure that everything is well nice seasoned. So after that, make sure that you set the fire into a low medium heat, and that is what we're gonna use. So first of all, I'm gonna add here some pepper. That I'm gonna use that one later on. So in this soup, you can tell it has been steaming for about 35 minutes, and this is how this chicken looks. It smells really nice. I wish you can smell this right now. You know how fresh chicken is. It's really awesome. So next, I have here the Reka tomato paste, and I'm adding about 2 tablespoons, and that is what I'm going to use to steam the chicken. So after it is done steaming, remove the pepper because we're going to blend that and add it into the soup. But I like my soup extra spicy, so I'm adding here pepper powder, that is mokosam, and then after that stir a little bit, and then let's get this tomato ready. So I'm adding here about 3 to 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, and then after that go ahead and add water, mix very well, and then we're going to transfer that into the soup. So this is just a simple Christmas style like chicken light soup that my mom used to prepare. Easy peasy, and trust me, the taste is so delicious. So if you haven't tried this before, please give this soup a try and you will be really amazed. And also try as possible to find fresh chicken because it has a really good flavor that when you make soup with it, you can tell the difference. Okay, so I just blended my pepper right here and I just added in there. And of course, I like my soup to look really spicy, especially when it comes to chicken soup. So I throw a pakushito or green pepper in there. So I let it cook for about an hour and a half, and this is how the soup looks like. Right? You can tell that this soup no ebeye de ankasa. We imuno anye thick and imuno so just too light. And of course, you know me, right, friends? It's all about eating this amazing soup with fresh homemade plantain fufu. I will share the recipe with you later on, but this fufu was so good and I used only plantain to prepare that. All right friends, so you can tell that our fufu is ready, so just go ahead and dish this soup out. If you don't like fufu, you can eat this soup with rice or potatoes, or you can even eat with fresh kinky or anything that you want to prefer to eat with. All right friends, so you can tell that the soup is looking really amazing. What I'm missing here is okra, but my husband is not really a big fan of okra, so I did not add that. But when you prepare yours, you can definitely add your okra in there. All right friends, so this is how I prepare my authentic chicken light soup. This is how my mom used to prepare back in those days. So I hope you really enjoy. Until I see you again, stay safe and have a blessed day.